Hello everyone, greetings from Dr. Sudha Tandon Fertility IVF, Endoscopy and Maternity Center. I am Dr. Amrita Tandon and today I will be speaking in brief about intrauterine insemination or IUI. So what is IUI? IUI is a simple form of fertility treatment where motile good sperms are inserted into the uterus of the female partner so as to increase the chance of fertilization. Who is an ideal candidate for an IUI? So typically young couples where the female partner has open or patent fallopian tubes, where there is a mild male factor infertility where the sperm count is on the lower side or the motility is slightly less. In cases of unexplained infertility, like where the couple has been trying to conceive for over a year but for causes unknown they are unable to conceive. In women who are not ovulating every month, so anovulatory causes like PCOS or cases of mild endometriosis. What are the medications given in an IUI cycle? So typically ovulation induction medications in the form of oral tablets like clomiphene citrate or letrozole are given, and these are usually combined with hormonal injections like HMG or FSH. We give these medications to increase the number of follicles that grow in each cycle. So typically in a natural cycle, one follicle grows and ruptures. So in an IUI cycle, we aim to have at least 2 or 3 follicles and thus 2 or 3 eggs to increase the chance of fertilization. We monitor this cycle by doing follicular sonographies every other day, and we monitor or track the size and the number of follicles that grow. So when the follicle reaches around 18 to 20 millimeters in size as seen on the sonography, we give the final injection, which is injection HCG, which is an ovulation trigger. So it helps rupture the follicle and release of the egg from the ovary. So when is the IUI procedure done? So this procedure is done 36 to 40 hours after the final injection, which is the injection HCG for ovulation trigger. On the day of the IUI, the male partner is expected to give his semen sample. This semen is then processed in the lab and it is prepared by centrifugation, where we separate the good motile sperms, and this is then inserted into the uterus. Is this procedure painful? How long does it take? So this procedure typically takes a couple of minutes. It is not painful. It is quite similar to a pap smear examination. A small speculum is inserted into the vagina to visualize the mouth of the uterus, and the sperm sample is injected into the uterus by a fine soft catheter. This is not very painful, and very occasionally women experience some mild abdominal cramping or mild spotting after the procedure. What precautions should one take post procedure, and is bed rest advised? Absolutely not. Bed rest is not advised, and in fact the woman can go back to her normal routine activities, and there are no special precautions that she needs to take after the procedure. Sexual intercourse is also recommended usually because this is known to increase the chances of fertilization and pregnancy. So what is the success rate of IUI? The success rate of IUI is about 12 to 15% over that of natural conception. And this increases as you do couple of more cycles, but the maximum number of cycles that are generally recommended are about 3 to 4, or say a maximum of 6. And if you do not conceive after 4 cycles of IUI, it is advisable to further evaluate your cause of infertility and maybe advance to further different types of assisted reproductive techniques. Thank you.